Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is a unstuffing video. So we did complete the shut the box. I have not counted how much money we have in our envelope, but this was so addicting that I am definitely going to be restarting this again. I don't think I broke over $100. I really don't think, but it's going to be fun to see how much we saved and how much we are going to be putting towards different envelopes. So what I was thinking is there is 9 rows. So the first 4 rows, we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds. And then the last 5 rows, we are going to be rolling the dice and playing the dice game and seeing what we are going to be stuffing on that. So I think that's going to be a little bit fun. I am filming this very early. I'm filming this on Saturday and this is not going to be going up until Friday, so you are watching this on Friday. But I wanted to pre-film it, hurry up and do it, just so y'all would, so I don't have to, you know, be rushing and everything, or me forget and all that stuff. So that is what I plan on doing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So the first row was $10. Oh, let's just go ahead and count how much we actually have. So let's see. So for shut the box, we saved 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, and 81. So we saved $81, which is really good for us. So I'm just going to lay these out really fast, and then we're just going to go ahead and get started. So with the sinking funds, I'm going to roll. I have 9 sinking fund envelopes. I'm going to roll and we're going to count the envelopes, and then whatever it lands on is what we are going to be stuffing. So the first row, I shut the box and I gave me a minimum amount of $10 that I do have to save if I shut the box. So let's roll. So we have a 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8. So let's see what we're going to be stuffing first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Home, which is really good. So home is technically like decor, home renovations, anything like that. So we are going to be putting $10 in that. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And I'm going to set this aside because I'm not going to reset or anything like that. We're just going to go ahead and flip to the next one. So the next row, we are going to be putting $1. So 4, 5, and 6. So $6. So we already did that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So Christmas is going to be getting $1. And we have $21 left in that. The next row, which is the third row, is going to be 5, 6, and 7. So $7 is going to go into 6, 7, 8. Lucky number 8 envelope. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dobby, which is really good because Dobby does have a groomer. So 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, and 7. So he does have a groomers coming up, which will be great. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, and 87. And the last one is going to be $6. So let's see what we are going to be stuffing for $6. 3, 4, 5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is really good. $6. So 5 and 6. Let's see, and we're going to go ahead and count renewals. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. $60, which is good for us. All right, so that is it for our sinking funds. Now, if we do not do very good on this one, then we'll go back to our sinking funds. So the next one, which I'm going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go up one. So 5, 6, 7. So $7 is going to be going in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Treat yourself. That is me, guys. I'm so excited. 5, 6, and 7. So $7. So if you saw my video last Saturday or last Friday, you would know that I got $4 from Treat Yourself. So now I have $7, which is really good. So I have $11 to just do whatever I want. So yay, that is going to be really good. I'm excited about that. All right. So next one is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we need to break some money. So let's see what we can do. Let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm gonna break that. Good. All right, so next, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, which is vacation. Woohoo, guys. Let's see. What are we gonna put in vacation? That is $11. I don't really have anything that I could do. So we could start souvenirs. Let's see. Tips. Let's put $1 aside. And then let's do $10 in tips. I think that would work. $10 in tips. And this is actually Jared's envelope that he has to be stuffing, so I'm not sure why I'm helping him, but it's totally fine. More money can go towards food and drink, which is fine with me. 10, so we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. $45 in tips. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the dollar bill. I think I might just put it in Mama's vacation, maybe. All right, next row, we're going to have $10, $11 again. So let's see. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is debt. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. So 5, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's just see if I keep that. And this is going towards debt. Oh, wrong binder. And debt is right here. Let's see. Don't know why there's a 20 there. Okay, perfect. So let's see how much we have now for debt. So we have 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. $226. So almost halfway to $500. Oh no, I dropped some money. Let me grab those. let's see. So we have 20, 25, 26, and 27. So next row is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $12 is going to go towards, is that me again? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11! Yay! That is me again. I'm so excited, you guys. Last Friday, I didn't get anything for me. So 7 plus 5 is $12. So I needed $8. I don't have change again. So we're going to go back to our sinking funds and we're going to change that 20 out. We'll go into our 5 for our car maintenance. Let's do that. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Oh, and 20. Okay, so $12 for me. 10, 11, 12. Let's be real, guys. If I don't use this before next paycheck, I'm probably just going to put it in challenges, to be honest. So treat yourself. I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. $19 to treat yourself. Plus the $4 from last time. So that is awesome. Next one, which is our last row, is going to get the rest of this, which is 8 plus 6 plus 2. $16. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh no, I messed up, right? 8 plus 6 plus 2. 16. So what did I do wrong? I have no idea. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'll just take this dollar and do 16. So let's see where it's going to go. 3, 4, 5. Pet savings. Yes, 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 yes. So pet savings only gets $10 a piece. So we're going to roll again. We're going to put $10 for sure in here. So I only have one more row and then we will completely be done. So we are going to put $5, $10 in here. Awesome. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $6. So let's see what we are going to be putting that in. Let's see. 4, 5 pet savings, which I can't. 6, 7, 8, 9 new puppy, which we could do that. Let's go ahead and do it, which I don't think I brought it out. Let's see if I can grab my binder real quick and I will show you guys the new one. So the new challenge is the puppy challenge, and this is from 40 Plus Life. So it's puppy dog savings challenge. Each puppy, as you can see, is $50 and the total save is $800. Darren and I are looking into getting another corgi. So we are going to be saving this very slowly. Hopefully by the end of the year we can get a new puppy, but we'll just see. This is like a rough estimate because Dobby cost, I want to say he cost $700 or $750. So I am not sure. It depends on what breeder we're going to go with, because the one that I got Dobby from does not breed anymore. So we're probably going to have to go to either Mississippi or Oklahoma. Oklahoma is actually where Dobby's relatives are from, if you would say. But anyways, so let's go ahead and let's put that. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have $16 in puppy savings, which is good. All right, you guys, so that is it. We unstuffed our Shut the Box. We had $81 and we did half of the sinking funds and half of the dice game. I think it was very successful. Let me know what you think. And yeah, so I love this game. I love unstuffing and restuffing. I cannot wait until we finished another game so I can do the same. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys later. Bye.